अद्यतन पंचांगम पंचविंशत्यधिक-एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री शोभकृत् नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं वसंत ऋतुः चैत्रमासः कृष्णपक्षः प्रतिपत्तिथिः चित्रा नक्षत्रम हर्षणयोगः कौलवकरणं भार्गववासरः. Today's date 7th of April 2023 Friday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राद्धरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पंचांगफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु. श्लोका फ्रॉम भगवद गीता चैप्टर 8 श्लोका 25. धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा दक्षिणायनम् तत्र चान्द्रमसं ज्योतिः योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते. Meaning, one perfecting the science of uniting the individual consciousness with the ultimate consciousness, who passes from this world by Dhumaha, the demigod of smoke, Ratri, the demigod of night, Krishna, the demigod of the waning moon, and also Dakshinayanam, the presiding demigod of the 6 months for the sun's progression between summer solstice and winter solstice, after reaching the heavenly illuminated lunar spheres undergoes rebirth.
Suprabhatam, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This shloka, the word split first. Dhumaha, Ratrihi, Tatha, Krishnaha, Shanmasaha, Dakshinayanam, Tatra, Chandramasam, Jyotihi, Yogi, Prapya, Nivartate. This is a contrast to what we saw yesterday. All the opposites to yesterday's shloka you find here. In place of Agni, you find Dhuma. In place of fire, you find Agni, you find smoke. In place of day, you find night. And then in place of Shukla Paksha, you find here Krishna Paksha, which starts today. Yesterday was Purnima. Today is Krishna Paksha. The waning phase of the moon, the digits of the moon starts waning. Krishna Paksha. The same Shanmasaha, it was Uttarayanam yesterday. So this shloka reads Dakshinayanam, where the nights are longer and the days are shorter. So this is the path. Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi Prapya Nivartate. So this again is a path of journey upwards. Previously also we saw Brahmavido Janaha, Brahma Gachanti. So people who do or who focus on the knowledge of Brahman and practice certain upasanas prescribed in the Upanishads, they slowly ascend. And in their path of ascension, they will be meeting divinities of Agni, Jyoti, Ahaha, Shuklaha, Shanmasa, Uttarayanam. Finally, they will reach the Brahmaloka, stay with the Brahman, and when the life of the Brahman ends, they become one with the Paramatman. That is their trajectory of journey. Now, what is that is Devayana Marga or Surya Marga, the path of the sun, and that is the path of ultimate divinity, that is called as the Devayana Marga. This is the Chandra Marga. Previously it was a Surya Marga. This is a Chandra Marga, Chandrayana. This is Chandrayana Marga, and then it is also called as a Pitrayana Marga. Pitrayana Marga. So in this what happens? Here also ascension happens. It is very interesting to note that a person who is ascending, he is still called as a yogi. The previous person, previous sadhaka was also a yogi who never returns. His journey is forward, upward and higher. There is no returning back. Na sa punaravartate. Na sa punaravartate. This is the final sutra of Brahma Sutra. There is no return for him. He is of the previous yogi who was spoken. Dvavimau purushau loke surya mandala bhedinau parivrad yoga yuktascha ranecha abhimukho hatah. This is our tradition. Only two people pierce the path of sun and reach Satyaloka. Parivrad, a person who has renounced everything in his journey towards realizing the Brahman. Parivrad yoga yuktaha ranecha abhimukho hatah. A soldier who is killed facing the enemy and not turning back. These two people, they pierce the path of sun and reach Satyaloka. So that Satyaloka path, Kramamukti, was spoken previously. Now this is the Pitraloka path where people go, prapya nivartate, they come back. Now, what is the karma or what is the kind of action that they do to go back and come? Yesterday only we saw ISRO has successfully tested a launch vehicle that can be reused. So that similarly these people, they have launch vehicle which will be reused. But the previous one, they simply voyage towards the ultimate goal. Now, what kind of karma these people do? Acharya Shankara in his commentary says that this Chandrayana people, they do Ishta, Purta, Datta karmas. 3 types of karmas they do. By doing these karma, which we call it as Punya karmas, Agnihotram, Tapaha, Satyam, Vedanancha, Anupadanam, Atithyam, Vaishwadevascha, Ishtamitya Bhidhiyate, Vapi Kupa Tadagadi Devata Yatananicha, Annapradhanam Aramaha, Dattamitya Bhidhiyate, Sharanagata Santranam, Bhutananchapya Himsanam, Bahirvedicha Yaddanam, Dattamitya Bhidhiyate means doing charity, building ponds, lakes, laying road, doing Agnihotra and all the prescribed Vedic actions. So, doing all the positive Punya karmas, these people are still Chandrayana yogis. They are focused in doing Punya karma, doing Swadharma, etc. But still, their path will only lead them back to the earth. So, the opinion of Bhagavad Gita, our Upanishads is that it is not enough if you do your Swadharma alone. If you want to reach greater and greater heights, of course your Swadharma, practicing Swadharma, doing all the Punya karmas will lead you to the state of Chitta Shuddhi. But if you want to reach the eternal state, you have to add an element of bhakti, you have to add an element of dhyana, you have to add an element of jnana. Only that will give you the escape velocity to go beyond the path of returning. So, this in the Chandrayana, all these entities he will face and he will be born again. Kshine punye martyalokam vishanti. So, this is very interesting. Krishna has laid down 2 paths. One is a path of no return and a higher destination. The other is the path where going up and coming back. So this path is there. Are there only 2 paths? Yesterday we saw there is one intense sadhaka who goes nowhere. He doesn't even go there. He realizes Brahman here. So there are 3 paths. Atra Brahma Samashnute. There is a Surya Marga. There is Chandra Marga. Are there only 3 paths? No. There is a 4th path also. That is again indicated in the Upanishads. Jayate, Mriyate. Certain people are there who are born and they die. They do nothing. They don't aspire something higher. Just like mosquito is there, it sits on us, we simply hit, there ends its life. Similarly, so certain people, Jayasva, Mriyasva iti tritiyaha margaha. This is what the Upanishad says. So, there are 4 ways in which we can lead our life. Just be born, lead a vegetative life, and sasyamiva martyah pachyate, sasyamiva ajayate punah. The plant is there, we cut, cook, eat, that's life of the plant ends. With due respects to the devata that resides in the plant, that is jayasva mriyasva. No journey anywhere, but it is being cooked and it remains here. There is the Chandrayana where some punya karma is done, but he comes back. Then there is a Surya Marga, there is a long unreturning journey to a higher dimension. And there is a 4th highest journey where again there is going nowhere. Here itself the knowledge comes, he realizes the Brahman here itself. So, this is a beautiful take on life that you can see about the human life that our Vedas and Upanishads. So, we have to choose among these 4 paths. We are simply born and dying, making no impact or no mark, or we do some good activity, but the good activities affect wanes off quickly, or we strive higher and we ourselves progressively reach higher ends. Or 4th, we reach a state where we ourselves become Brahman and become an object of worship. Worship worthiness we attain here itself, now itself. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and so many others are of the first path where they realize the Brahman here itself. So, in reaching the highest goal of life, or in taking any worthwhile goal in life, we can choose among these four who we are. Is it time to introspect and to revise our position here? This is for us, this is a moot point that each of us should introspect. Thank you.
We kindly request Narayan Behra sir to hoist the flag. Let us close the session with Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschet Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kindly raise for the national anthem. Jana-gana-mana adhinayaka jaya he Bharata bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Shisha Mage Gahe Tava Jaya Gata Janagana Mangaladayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. बोलो भारत माता की वंदे